So this video is just going to be a rundown on how to do the installation for the patio heaters. They will just come with straps or pinned down, set them apart, it comes off, and you will have a skirt in the inside of the case. You will receive a lid separate, and then it will break down into pieces with the legs that have pins that hold into place. The easiest way to do it is working on one side, slip it down, rotate the other leg, rotate, then last leg, pull the pin, and then it'll lock into place. Once the legs are stable, you get the lid on. There will be a pin in the top piece that attaches this with the actual heater itself. So I will set it aside. So this pin is just what locks it into place. Fold it down. Don't lift it back up. Once that's done, the propane is attached. And then slowly open the valve for the propane. And that's on. Now the skirt is in play.